was at Walmart and you will never guess what I found. New fashion! That's right, I just found some new fashion packs. Look at this one and this. They were $7.94 each and I found a total of 5 different packs. Okay, let me show you. This pack has 2 outfits, earmuffs, and a purse. It comes with a sleeveless yellow top, a red, black, and white plaid skirt, and the skirt is kind of fuzzy, almost like a flannel. The box says that fashions fit most Barbie dolls. So here is the outfit on a curvy doll. Oh, Carmen actually has blue eyes, not green. My bad! But I think that these one-size-fits-all fashion packs definitely fit the curvy dolls better. This fashion pack also has a teal dress. It has a really cute decoration at the top. You can pair it with the jacket with pink fuzzy sleeves and white faux leather in the front and black trim at the collar and bottom. Then there are earmuffs and a blue purse. This is a ruffle and floral fashion pack. It has a lavender floral dress with ruffles around the top and a wrap skirt. There is a large lavender sun hat that makes this outfit perfect for the beach. The other outfit in this pack is a really cute pink ruffle top, pencil skirt with a floral print, and a white purse. There is also a yellow necklace, but I like the outfit better without it. This pink ruffle top is too cute. I love it paired with the skirt. I think it is totally Carmen. Pink, ruffles, and a floral print? Yeah, definitely Carmen style. This fashion pack has some denim items. There is a red and white ruffle top, a pair of jean shorts that fit just like the jean shorts that came with the banana shirt. I kind of feel like they are too large for an original Barbie, but they make the perfect high-waisted shorts on a curvy Barbie. Now I wonder how they will fit our fresh dolls, because a fresh doll's shape is between an original and a curvy. Wow, it's a great fit! They are still high-waisted shorts, and there is enough room for the dolls to move around. The other outfit is a halter dress with a denim skirt. It has an asymmetrical hem at the bottom, and it ties behind the neck. This outfit is a great fit for the original Barbie body. There is a brown purse, a yellow sheer top, and a belt, which could probably be used as a headband. Now I like this fashion pack. I am sold on this t-shirt. How cute is this face? It's a cat wearing a hoodie, wearing glasses. New favorite shirt, y'all. New favorite shirt. They paired it with a black and white skirt that has a ruffle going down the front, but to me, it is definitely a little too large. But if you're feeling crafty, you can always tailor it in the back. There is an orange purse to go with the orange cat, or you can dress the dolls in this red and black dress with a choker collar, add a pleather vest to finish the look. Oops, almost forgot the sunglasses. That is definitely a different look for Carmen. Our last fashion pack has a pleated skirt and denim jacket. Yes, the skirt fits. It is a gold pleated skirt with an elastic waistband. The pleats are only in the front and it is plain in the back. We've paired it with a sleeveless t-shirt that has 59 on it and a pair of sunglasses. I love this skirt. The last time I was in New York, everyone was wearing them, and it is so cool that it is now in my size. This pack also has a purple and blue floral dress that you can pair with the faux jean jacket with roses on the sleeves and a red purse. I really like the jean jacket with this outfit. I think Sophie might have gotten a few cute outfits today. It is always fun to expand our doll's closet and mix and match the pieces to make whole new looks. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these Barbie fashion packs. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.